Hello students, today we will study about vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in plants, and the plant parts which are detached and they grow as a new plant, they are called vegetative propagules. So these structures which grow into new plant is known as vegetative propagules. So basically, before understanding vegetative propagation, you must know what are vegetative parts of the plant. All the parts of the plant except flower are known as vegetative part. May it be stem, root, leaves, all other parts of the plant other than flower are known as vegetative part. So if we are able to get a new plant from all these vegetative parts, that kind of reproduction is called vegetative propagation. And these parts, vegetative parts from which we get a new plant are called vegetative propagules. Now see, first we will study about artificial vegetative propagation, and then we will study natural vegetative propagation. Now artificial has been further divided into three categories: cutting, layering and grafting. Artificial vegetative propagation. First start with the cutting. So in case of cutting, a plant part is cut from the parent body. See here, you can have this. So in case of artificial vegetative propagation, first is cutting. The plant part is cut from the parent plant and put into the soil. Then later it grows as a new plant. So you are well aware of cutting. That is one of the very important artificial vegetative propagation. In case of rose, sugarcane, we can have root cutting also in case of dahlia. And if you want to see next one, that is layering. Layering is another type of artificial vegetative propagation. And new plants are formed from stems of the parent plant basically, without detaching them initially from the parent. So we don't detach, we detach them later on, but initially we don't detach. So for example, strawberry, guava, lemon, China rose, all these can be grown with the help of artificial vegetative propagation, that is layering. Next one. Now layering can further be divided into mound layering and air layering. So first we will study about mound layering. You can see in case of mound layering, a branch is pulled towards the ground. This branch, or it is also called layer, this branch which we use, that is also called layer. So layer is pulled towards the ground and then a part of it is covered with the moist soil. Here you have to cover it with the moist soil. New roots develop later on from this part which is kept underground, and after it gets detached from the parent plant. You can see this plant, it will get new leaves and it will grow as a new plant, and later on it can be detached from the parent plant. So this is called mound layering. It is a type of layering. So you can see here how we can get a new plant from the vegetative part of the plant. Now if you see in case of air layering, that is another type of layering, an aerial branch or a layer is scraped and covered with moist mud. So basically it is covered, scrapped. You have, for example, this is a stem and you can just cut a piece of it. It is defoliated, leaves are removed, and here a cut is inserted. Now you have to cover it properly with the help of moist soil or mud, and ultimately cover it with the plastic or polythene sheet. After few days, new roots will develop, and later on this plant also will get new leaves, etc. And now it is ready for detachment from the parent plant, and further it will grow into a new plant. So this is called air layering. Next type of artificial vegetative propagation is grafting. You can see here how in case of grafting two stems are taken and they are joined together. So this is called grafting. The stem which is taken as a stem, and this will give root system basically, and this portion will give shoot system. So the portion which will give shoot system is called scion, and this one is called stalk. Thank you very much.